I done been around the world, ain't nobody else that could do it like us with nobody help. When the chips about to fall and I back against the wall, know it's only one place I call. All roads lead home, home, home. Yeah, all roads lead home, home, home. All roads lead home.
Back home and I'm trying to stay same crew, I don't like to change. Anything that we've been through, we got through it all like no time to waste. We go right back to the finer things, new goals that we had to chase. Come together, this lasts forever, I wouldn't be here without the game. Been around the world, everybody looking at me like another path to take. I don't know it all, but I know the homies looking at me like I have the way. So I tell them all what I see, then I tell them all what I hope to see. Tell them all when I'm home, I be bringing all of that home with me.
I done been around the world, ain't nobody else that could do it like us with nobody help. When the chips about to fall and I back against the wall, know it's only one place I call. All roads lead home. All roads lead home. Gotta make a comeback. Can I get a hand while I unpack? How could you forget that I'm from that? Still to the last of the combat. Jump into the jungle, come back with gold. To take my place as king of the throne. And I don't mean wrong, but I'm coming strong. When I'm on the road and I'm coming home. Stuck in the middle of nowhere. Times I wish I could ditch and go there. Grant the wish I'm dependent on what I'm chilling for. I won't need it more, yeah. Honestly, I'm not just anybody. I know I go hard as anybody. Say my goodbyes and hellos, cause all them roads lead home. I done been around the world, ain't nobody else that could do it like us with nobody help. When the chips about to fall and I back against the wall, know it's only one place I call. All roads lead home. All roads lead home. So if you with me, let me know. Let's bring it home. They know we always on the go. We bring it home. So if you with me, let me know. Let's bring it home. You should've knew it from the go. All roads lead home. Welcome to my city. Welcome to my city. The only place I know. All roads lead home. I know, all roads lead home.
Bitch, I took it to the West Coast. Got a crib, got lit, and it's still not shit. I'm not easily impressed, no. I'm tryna live like this till the day I'm crib, so I'm spitting out the strep throat. Yeah, so will it kills y'all feel a type of way, then you better learn to let go. Let go, y'all wanna talk shit, then your head get split. Been a lot of long nights, lot of long days, doing it the long way, back up in the hallways, and people hate it all day. Always try to crash me, burn me, thinking they'd hurt me. I've been feeling all state. Ironic, kid, fuck it, I'm buzzing, I'm coming so quick, I'm forgetting all of y'all. Nobody know the shit that I've been through, trying to make it happen all by myself when there's no one believing up in you. Ain't nobody trying to lend you no help. You better find a me to look into, find that purpose, working your wealth. It'll put that passion lacking back in view. It ain't never coming from nobody else, man, it's ain't for myself, it was never about me. It's the fans and the fam trying to set them all free, help them become the people they're destined to be. Cause the way the world's living is honestly weak. People are living a life where they peak at a young age, and then all the rest of it's bleak. That shit'll set me off, I'm gonna freak. I've been trying to work for the shit that they need, I swear.
My mom deserve a whip, yeah. Dad deserve a crib, they ain't got a trip, they'll get all of it, yeah. My sis deserve a grip, brother gets equipped, I won't ever slip. Got homies trying to quit on their job and shit, so I'm steady focusing, trying to find myself an opening. On God, my mom deserve a whip, yeah. Dad deserve a crib, they ain't got a trip, they'll get all of it, yeah, yeah.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging.